Flying a drone can be a fun and exciting hobby, but it can also be a really lucrative source of side income. And today I'm going to show you 10 ways to make money with a drone in 2022. Let's jump right in. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with a drone in 2022. Now when it comes to making money with a drone, it doesn't matter which drone you own or which drone you might want to go out and pick up. For example, you could start with the DJI Mini 2, a really affordable, lightweight and compact drone, and then use the earnings from your drone side business to upgrade to bigger and better drones down the line. The great thing is, all these ways of making money will allow you to turn your hobby into a source of income. Now, if you're looking to get started and don't own a drone, I've put a link to the ones I recommend, along with all the other gear I normally use when making these videos down below. And with all that out of the way, let's look at drone money-making method number 1. Stock aerial photos and videos. One of the quickest and easiest ways to make money from your drone is to start selling stock aerial photos and videos. And the best part is you can start right away using clips you already have. By creating an account on a stock marketplace website, you can upload your content, and then when someone buys it, you'll get a commission per sale. Some of the best marketplaces in 2022 are Video Blocks, Shutterstock, Gay Images, Pond5, dronestock.com and ArtGrid. So what type of drone footage and photos sell well? Nature shots, urban landscapes, unique landmarks, recognizable buildings and time-lapse videos are all types of content that are often searched for on marketplaces. This is a quick and straightforward way to make money with your drone that anyone can do. So why not try it out? Drone mapping. Drone mapping is another way to make money with your drone. If you don't know what drone mapping is, it's a process in which you create 2D maps and 3D models of landscapes or buildings using the drone's camera, and it has revolutionized multiple industries in the past few years. Drone mapping is used in construction for aerial maps and models of areas to help planners understand projects and track progress on the ground. It's also used in agriculture, where mapping using programs like Drone Deploy can help monitor plant health and more. And those are just a few of the industries where drone mapping is often used. Now, drone mapping is a technical job, so you will need training and special software to capitalize on this niche. But with that being said, it can be very lucrative. Teach others how to fly a drone. The drone hobby is exploding in 2022, and more people are wanting to get into flying drones. If you have experience in flying drones, then you can help teach novice pilots, and you could even teach more experienced pilots different niches of the drone hobby, such as how to get more cinematic photos and videos. This training can either be done in person, one-to-one, or you could create an online course and market it through a platform such as Udemy. This way you can earn money every time someone takes a course. If you enjoy teaching and are good at flying a drone, teaching others to fly and improve their skills is a great way to earn a side income. Wedding and event aerial photography. A great way to quickly monetize your drone is to make use of its camera and offer your services for wedding and event photography. With more and more couples looking to capture their special day from more unique perspectives, aerial wedding photography has taken off in 2022. Although this method can be very profitable, the competition is also tough, so you'll need to be capable of providing very high quality wedding videos and photos. To begin with, you could offer to capture friends' weddings for free and use that experience to build up a portfolio and eventually get referrals for paid work. This can be extremely lucrative, with the average wedding aerial photographer charging between $600 and $3,150 per package. Advertise hotels and resorts. Hotels and resorts have started using aerial footage as an alternative to standard photography because drones can show off the location and amenities better, making it very attractive for guests. For example, if a hotel or resort is located right next to the beach, a drone can capture aerial footage off the beach as well as the hotel. Most hotels, though, don't have an in-house drone pilot to take this marketing material, and this is where you can capitalize. To get started, you could email local hotels and offer your services for free, again to build up a portfolio. And if you do good work, this could also lead to referrals, and sooner or later you could start charging a premium for your services. Just remember, for this, you will need photo and video editing software and be capable of producing content that hotels will love. Estate agency photography. Estate agencies looking to sell homes are using aerial photos and videos more and more in 2022. With a drone, you can get better views of the property's features and the location. Estate agents want their houses to stand out online, and high quality aerial photos and videos allow them to do just that. Unfortunately, most estate agents don't have someone in-house to do this for them, and this is where you come in. To get started, you should reach out to local smaller estate agents and offer to capture aerial drone content of their listed properties to help boost sales. Capture content that really showcases their properties and helps them sell, and you will be able to get good money for your photos and videos. How much can you make? The average housing photographers charge $400 for a 60 to 90 second clip. Corporate event photography. Most large businesses hold regular or annual events where they bring the entire company together for training, skill building, award ceremonies, or even just team building. At most of these events, there will be a photographer capturing the moment, and this content is then used to showcase the events either online or in-house. But why not offer your services to use your drone to capture photos and videos at these events to potentially make money from this niche? From aerial stills of the entire company to flyby videos of the event. Think of the usual staff corporate photos with hundreds of employees. We've all seen them types of photos. A drone could make capturing this type of photo so much easier. Roof inspections. Roof inspections are another great way to make money with a drone. It costs money for insurance companies to send out a team with scaffolding and ladders to inspect roofs, when drone inspection is often much cheaper. This type of work can be quick and easy, especially with experience. No waiting for scaffolding to be put up, and the drone's images can be shown live to an inspector. Get your foot in the door with a company requiring regular inspections, and you could be onto a winner. It's important to note though that this kind of work is usually tied to the seasons. Stormy winters can lead to a boom in work, while periods of good weather could mean a dip in need. Create a YouTube channel. If flying a drone is your passion, then why not share it with the world on YouTube, just like me? You could either use YouTube to showcase a portfolio of your work in any of the areas I've mentioned so far, and this could bring in more clients, or you could create a channel to showcase your filmmaking, photography, or even teach others with tips and tricks videos like I do. With YouTube, you can earn revenue for video views and also work with brands getting sponsorships for mentions in your content. With YouTube, the money-making options are limitless. The only limit is your creativity and your ability to put out content on a regular basis. Capture sports events. While you can't fly your drone over large commercial sporting matches, capturing smaller local events is possible and can potentially be lucrative. Showing off highlights of the local marathon, football match, cycling race, and more, drones are fantastic at capturing all the action happening over a large area, showing moments that might just be missed from the ground. You can also create videos for local teams and events as promotional content, such as training matches, advertising a race, showing off a cycling course, and more. Just remember with this niche to abide by the drone law and keep your drone at the required and safe distances from people at all times. Now that you know how to make money with a drone, you can head out and start making some side income with your drone. Let me know which one of the methods you liked best in the comments down below, and pop down below any that I've missed in this video. And just before you go, if you've liked this video and you've learned something new, please give me the thumbs up by clicking the like button down below. And if you like all things drones and want tips, tricks and tutorials about how to get better photos and videos with your drone, then I recommend you check out my channel where I have a ton of other content to help you level up your drone game. Now, if you want to stick around and watch a few more of them now, then here's a few I personally recommend checking out. I'll not keep you back any further. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over there.